I have become the best known sport flooring contractor in the world, and I'm just getting started. Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Missoula, Montana, once again. Talking gym floors, talking gym floor volleyball caps, and how we go about routering in gym floor volleyball caps. I don't know that this is the best system, but this is our system. I'll share it with you. If it could help you, that's fantastic. If you think you got a better idea, I'd love to know about it. We spent some money with a machine shop putting this together. It works pretty well for us. I'll try and demonstrate it. First of all, we're going to set up the router itself. I have a volleyball cap. This happens to be a used brass cap, but I would adjust my depth with my router. This is just an ordinary old Bosch router. And the way I would do that is right here in this little depth gauge, okay? Once I lock that in, then that's how deep that router is gonna go, okay? Now, when we install the floor, we drill a small hole right over the top of that volleyball sleeve. We then come by and lay our template over that small drilled hole. Now we have a small pin that acts as a guide. Obviously I don't have a hole in my concrete, but I would put that pin into that hole that we've drilled over the sleeve where we want the volleyball hole. You can see here that we have a graduated scale measurement. We have some wing nuts here, and this can be adjusted to the size of a hole that we have. The one thing that I want to call your attention to, because it's really important, is this dust port. So we have the dust port sucking the dust out as it's being created. This is plexiglass, so you're able to see what you're doing. This is actually a really simple process. The biggest challenge, if there's any kind of challenge, is just setting up this machine. We go around once at one depth and then set the router a little deeper and make a final cut. The vacuum keeps it clean inside so you can see what's going on. Once we lift up the template, it's a perfect circle, exactly where we want it. Then we just take a jigsaw and cut out the center of the hole, and it fits perfectly.